On Wednesday, common people of Yacharai village locked the bank office of Grameen Bank Hazamara branch and protested as the bank was going to be shifted in the other place. Seven years ago, Hazamara branch Grameen Bank was opened at Hazamara. There was 2 staff in the beginning and now there is only 1, which is why common people of Yacharai village locked the bank office of Grameen Bank Hazamara branch and protested against the decision.
Poriman yagulo semborno bank no hoksa pusha rangna yawi sem bank no tonika. Poriman yagulo hongka tau borotam thaka single officer rohore sino esre bazani bank no kuno ekta lenden claim ni akai bor sumok tonirika. Ikapon bagai sem jologon no makhaje sini bank kai sem kaos potro jombarnon bagai simbia sem bank kai rang si sini dorkar rang sem lenden khabe kabu bank ya karon bank kai rang si awan bagai sem nayo bank officer formni hayangton tai sino lenden planjen bagi boro khai mana nimton
tamni bagai do kinor talan laika
jengno bank uthok talang thangnani hine jing bori chubura botongo himaya botongo gai uthok talang thana gai jengura subida sikri gai gai aban bagai talari mo
kupurun chimeng muna bot
aba khat namani tinin chimino aba sei bang dang jomari phanya phemani gai uthok talang na pung gai jeng bengo talari kha aba ung mangalak je phano
rangrok bijage tong tini rok kono payment na khajak tong
tini kono payment dia ka ko suru jomanar kya Engkau beri cemburu rono, kau cakap serulah tangga, jaga semua uthok jalan tangga, jin upat bumtai, joto elekan ni, upat bumting naik.
Likewise, they also demanded to give more staff in the Grameen Bank of Hazamara branch.
Sing to orang Grameen Bank beri cemburu orang kono, thang arah Hazamara thang maya, amun bagus sing kali bara bot thang thai, di sorong nang thangu. Kalau suluk sudah ni cingoro yang man kau ni kaza katabu, kalau bank saya yang telang nak kai, sing tam kai nai, sing abu ni bagai bank orang tongtu ni cing sang layu.
Reported by Animes from Hazamara, Chini Khorang.